happened? Is there something wrong here?
You're fired. I just broke that.
Oh.
We'll be alright. What you doing? Oh, a little bit. I think most of it just spilled.
I think so too.
You can't get this stuff up. You gotta get the feed line. I think all three of these are fuel lines. One's a feed, one's a return, and the other one might be like evap or something.
We are doing what, sir?
We are seeing what we're working with inside this tank to see what we can do about the fuel pump. To see if there's enough space for an upgrade. It's really more like it. Let me get you the right tools.
Oh, me? What's the verdict?
The verdict is we gotta upgrade some stuff in here, or we gotta change some stuff. So you see these prongs? They're very small. So when this new pump, this larger pump starts asking for more amps, when it gets hungry, once we tell it to give it more fuel, especially the wire. Prongs, maybe not so much, but the wire itself, we gotta go to a thicker wire to handle the amps flow. And obviously the ground could be better too, because what's gonna happen is this thing's gonna melt. Like this whole area is gonna start to melt by how many amps this thing is gonna start pulling. We're gonna pull the whole thing out because I really need to see if I could get the pump in there, like the new upgraded pump, which from what I'm seeing is not gonna fit. So anyway, I'm gonna pull this thing out and I'll explain what I need to explain outside. All right? Nope. Yep. Nope. All right. Peace. All right. Get out of here. My old Ryobi. Yesterday she done took a chunk out of me.
Hold up.
First time.
She found out you was cheating with Hercules.
I ain't never cheating with no Hercules. It's my baby. Ain't no other.
She said, what are you doing?
But you know,
No.
I don't get what you say. That's his girl. They ain't my girl, baby, you know. But safety third, as you can see. I have no shroud on here. Damn. This would have came in good yesterday. And then I wasn't wearing any gloves. So I was cutting a bolt actually from underneath this thing to get the shifter box out. It actually fell on this finger. I wasn't wearing a glove. And then when I was cutting, I kind of jerked back. It caught on the thing and slipped back this way. So I was like this, cutting the bolt. It fell off. I didn't really realize it because I was just kind of on it. Like I thought it was going to skip my hand. Fell down, hit my finger. I went like this, jerk. It hit the thing, came down, was just like this. But I kind of like saw it coming, so I just kind of pulled my finger away. Or else I might have got like a full, you know. But she just nipped me, that's all. I ain't upset with her, she just nipped me. Got the pump out. So this is actually the return line. I already made most of it. I'm gonna have to end up shortening it, put the fuel pressure regulator somewhere in here, but I haven't figured that out up front yet. I'm gonna move this out the way so we can work a little better. I was using the drill press, so all my drill press stuff is over here on the table. It looks crazy. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. That's what it came out real good yesterday. So the major issue with this thing is these wires aren't going to be thick enough gauge-wise to handle the amps. The fuel pump, even if I take it out, I don't think inside. This needs a torque chain. That was the right one. This is going to be the new pump. I believe this is maybe a 450. The serial numbers are on it. It's not. I don't think it's a 550 or 500, whichever they want. The base is where the issue is going to be. I don't think there's enough room for this wider base inside the carrier. You like how I got everybody listening to some reggae music, huh?
Influential.
That's it.
They not like us. Well, actually, they want. Never mind.
Yeah, Shane, I don't know where you're going with that one. We love the people.
Nah.
All the people.
The point I was trying to make is you have an impact on your environment, but I just went about it the wrong way. Because I want it to be cool.
Stop trying to be cool and just be cool.
That's where it was headed, and I just
No, you was trying
tongue
to be
slipped.
cool. You slipped on the ice because you're trying to be cool, so it cooled you down. You know what I'm saying? You slipped on the cool ice. You just gotta be cool, my brother.
What if you open it and it squirts me in the eye?
You? I'm worried about me. It'll be good for the camera because it kind of like do like a. Me? I don't got no, again, safety third.
He don't learn!
Because I ain't got full safety bits on. I should have on some glasses too. But you're usually around here somewhere. You know how it goes. When you need it, it ain't really right there.
So you can use 2 of these to cover your eyes. Just put it like oh, you need to see it. So like this. It'll guide your vision and protect you because this.
You know what? I'll use this one for now.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Just this time though.
Okay.
Next time I'm gonna use
You use
that.
the elbow, yeah.
The elbow. Alright. One more thing down. Oh, at least that part came off. Never mind. Alright, see? So this thing right here is actually a fuel pressure regulator. An internal one. So this is how it bleeds off fuel pressure before it gets up to the tank. And that's really where the main issue is because we don't need something to regulate the fuel pressure for us if we have a fuel pressure regulator. What the heck is that?
It's a walnut?
Yes, yeah, it's a walnut. Some sort of foam or a sponge. Body-wise, it's actually bigger than this one. So, now where do these holes go to? Ah, right here.
That's the return?
Yeah. So that when it returns, it shoots around this piece. And then instead of it like just going into the bucket, it goes like in this area, and then it kind of pulls it back in. Anyway, good job. You know what's crazy? I think this pump is the same one as the Bugatti pump. The new one.
So because of the size difference, it's looking like we're not gonna be able to fit this in the body here. So the mad scientist is trying to figure out what his next move.
I think the next move is we leave this for now. Because this is another day's project that's gonna take more time. What I need to do is get the rest of the fuel lines out of the car. Shut up.
You got some walls we gotta strip, brother?
Not really. What?
Oh, hi.
So these are all the lines that we just released.
Freedom!
Pepe! Look what Shane told me to do to your car.
Oh my God.
Alright, so these are the old lines. Surprised that they use rubber like hoses or whatever this material is. Because usually back in the day they were steel. I like this, you know what I'm saying? This is the old 10AN line right here. Let's free the beast. Yo, Shay, you know this is my song, right? So I guess it's gonna be like a test run. I'm gonna force this down into this tunnel, the same way the regular hoses went. Kind of like that they had this little pocket here. It's a little dirty in there, but we'll clean that up. Leave it over the controller, the lower controller. Move it over. Alright. So this might be a general length of how long I would need it. I usually don't like to use this tool to do this, but it's a lot cleaner. But yeah, these blades are too dull. Anyway, yeah, let's end them out with one nice smoky video, Shane. I'm gonna cut the shit out of this hose, and it's probably gonna be uneven.
That's okay. AN lines are famous for liking being uneven. That's like the whole point of them.
Safety third. Remember the rules. Number 1, don't panic. Number 2, protect your neck. Number 3, safety third. So protecting my eyes, aka my neck.
Wow.
Always number 1, don't panic. See? It's crazy in there. It's alright. I just cut it a little, I made it a little longer than what I would need. Plus, I'm gonna have to end up putting a filter in there.
Yes, sir.
So most likely, we're gonna have to end up putting it someplace else on the line anyway.
Are we
so-
doing another line in there too?
I said a filter.
You know, so just one line, no return?
What? Shane, you don't understand how this works. The feed line and the return line are 2 separate lines.
Yeah, that's what I said. We're not doing another one in there, just the one? Today?
Oh yeah, you're right. Damn. Hope you all are happy. Good. It's a little late, and we gotta get some other things moving. This is where we're gonna leave off for today, and drink water and stay hydrated. And don't forget, people, please, 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 start drinking some coconut water. All right, the coconut water is a little better than the Gatorade. The Gatorade is just sugar and salt and water and coloring. Coconut water ain't no extra coloring. They got a little bit of sugar in it. They do add a little sugar, which I don't like, but they add a little bit compared to, you know, the Gatorade. And yeah, it has a magnesium, phosphates, all this stuff, all the electrolytes that you need for your body. Start drinking coconut water,
I know the coconut water might be a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Got a little more on the...
but it's better for you. Just like most things that are healthy, you gotta pay a little extra for it. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Shane is here too. I don't know if you can see him or not. I don't know if he's saying chop or peace. Are you trying to say peace? That's how you say peace. You gotta be like this. Yo, make sure you keep that in my videos.
That's sign language.